This is a quick introduction to the EdVee dashboard, the empty template which can be filled with your module information and then used for constructive alignment. At the top you've got a space for your module code. You can add the objectives of the module in here, up to 4, and the level of the module, the cohort size and mix, and the graduate outcomes here in this text box. Then on the left you've got the intended learning outcomes. On the right in blue you've got the assessment, bottom left content and topics. On the right hand side you've got the learning activities, and there are 2 spaces here for learning activities plus private study. Behind this area, if you like, you can go to page 2, which is this area here. You can add in the details of your activities. You've got the week number, who's involved, the length of time and the format of the actual activity, or the workshop or the seminar, whatever that is. It might be a lecture. Then you've got the different sub-levels of activity and private study and skills. You can also use these here to duplicate, and then you can position them to show what sort of activities are involved in these areas. In this case, I've chosen reflection. If you want to view these a little bit larger, you can actually go to view, zoom, and you can zoom up to 400%, which means you can see very clearly some of these areas. If you want to see a little bit more about what these say, or focus on a particular writing about a particular activity or task, you can write in this way. So I'll just go back to view fit in window, and going back to the first page, the EdVee template, you can click on these lines here and then stretch them across to meet. You'll see actually when they meet, they actually link in and connect these circles here, which is quite useful. I'll show you again by zooming to say 200%. And we can navigate down and see where these go to. So actually in this case here, if you wanted to set this line, click on it, come over to this side, you can actually connect into one of the connectors on the circle, which means it remains connected. So fit to window again. That's a general overview of EdVee. I hope it's useful and enjoy using it. Thanks for listening.